Executive Committee and the initiative of the District Chairman and of course our Association President. Now I will...
इतना फुलफिल कर सकते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट 301 से ज़रूर करेंगे। तो फिट गर्ल के अंदर ये सर्विकल वैक्सीनेशन भी आएगा और भी बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो हम आज आपके सामने रखेंगे और आप शायद 301 से दिल खुश करके जाएंगे, ऐसा हमारी भावना है। और जो भी काम हम दिल से करते हैं तो वो ज़रूर पूरा होता है और बहुत अच्छे से पूरा होता है, ऐसी हम सबकी भावना है। तो मैं सर्विकल वैक्सीनेशन की डिटेल के लिए डॉक्टर सरिता जी को इनवाइट करती हूँ। ये जीविका फाउंडेशन से हैं जिन्होंने अभी आपको डिटेल हमारी पास्ट एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रीति जी ने बतलाई। तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ वो आप थोड़ी सी डिटेल और
Good afternoon, pretty ladies. Good afternoon, pretty ladies. And Sat Sri Akal to the Gurdwara Prabandhan Committee and Muga Sahab and others who have contributed to this lovely morning. I am associated with the Cancer Eradication and Awareness Program of District 3011 Rotary. But good work knows no boundaries. And being a woman, it's so wonderful to see women coming together as a part of Inner Wheel and doing such wonderful work with so much vibrancy. देख कर ही मजा आ रहा है। अब आते हैं मुद्दे पे।
Nagar and our club IWC Ghaziabad help them continuously with the blessings of Almighty with skill development programs like donating computer systems, donating sewing machines. We welcome Tanu ma'am with your Fit Girls. Thank you.
हम वक्त बदल देंगे, जज्बात बदल देंगे, जो बुरी लगी दिल को, जो बुरी लगी दिल को, हर बात बदल देंगे। हम वक्त बदल देंगे, हम वक्त बदल देंगे, जज्बात बदल देंगे। हम वक्त बदल देंगे, जज्बात बदल देंगे, जो बुरी लगी दिल को, जो बुरी लगी दिल को, हर बात बदल देंगे। हम वक्त बदल देंगे, जज्बात बदल।
बॉडी इज सो फ्लेक्सिबल। तो विनूथा जी का जो एक इनिशिएटिव है फिट गर्ल का, हमें बहुत ही अच्छा मैसेज मिला है कि यस फिटनेस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और सब लोग प्लीज योगा कीजिए।
बिल्कुल, ये बच्चे मन के सच्चे हैं लेकिन योग बल से ये और
Spreads in the direction of the wind. But when we do good service, the fragrance of service spreads in all directions. So today is the day we have done such a noble work that its fragrance is spreading in all the directions. आज एक मिशन को लेकर हम साथ चले हैं, हमारी नेशनल लीडर हमारे साथ हैं। So I'll begin with her respected Association President, Mrs. Vinuta Harish, our Project Coordinator, PAP Preeti Gugnani, my dear radiant district executives, our committee chairpersons, health committee chairpersons, PDC Nisha Bhargav ji, PDC Vinita Chopra ji. आज बहुत confusion है Vinita and Vinutha ji में, so given my tongue is slipping, and the heartiest and all dear members for this great project. I congratulated each one of you. आज जो हमारी पहली शुरुआत हुई है इस पहले जॉइंट प्रोजेक्ट की, वो एक इतनी सेक्रेट रिलीजियस प्लेस से हुई है that I cannot explain how I am feeling. My daughter is married in a Sikh family and I think there is some connection from up there that my first drawing project as district chairman वो भी एक गुरुद्वारे से शुरू हुआ। When me and Preeti ji visited this place, as she told you, we visited many government hospitals also and we went and saw many places we got from here, the kind of connect we get from Mr. Mongaji, we felt that yes, whatever donations we are giving, it is in the right direction, it is at the right place. Because it is not just our money, it is your money. और वो कहते हैं ना, जब भगवान हमको निमित्त बनाता है, जब हम किसी और के पैसों से या जब हम किसी और की चीज़ों से हम कोई कार्य करते हैं तो वी आर मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. एंड विद दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई एम सो हैप्पी टुडे दैट इन when we have 90 clubs with us, out of that more than 70 clubs participated in this project. And when we initiated it, as PDG told you, whenever they say a good work, Innovil branding should go hand in hand. So with that, with the Innovil branding, I would like to congratulate Innovil Club Noida, Ritu, where are you? And President Anita. They are donating this chair, which is this bench, which is made of eco-friendly material, keeping my vision of green steps. The vision for this year, the chairman's vision for this year is green steps, brighter futures. And keeping ahead that vision, we are donating this bench, making this oath, taking this oath that we will say no to plastic. And we will encourage members to please collect plastics and give it to this vendor, and they will give you benches in return. So taking a green step forward. So one green step which we have taken today is our dialysis machine, because when we take care of our health, that is also a green step, I believe. And then another project we have taken today is 100 doses of cervical vaccination. Thank you, Priti ji, for initiating this. And this is another green step, because any prevention which we are doing for our health, that is also a green step taken. That is a sustainable approach towards life. बीमार पड़ के तब डॉक्टर के पास जाने से बेहतर है कि आप पहले ही अवेयर हो जाइए और पहले ही उस स्टेप को लीजिए ताकि आप वहाँ तक पहुँचे ही नहीं. And this fifth girl initiative with these girls of who perform yoga, they are from Arya Samaj, an NGO and organization where my home club, Innovil Club Ghaziabad, has been associated. So they are also doing a very good work, and I congratulate these girls. Thank you, beta. You performed so well, and thanks to the teacher who brought them here so far. So in all, it's a big project, and I won't take much time because I know time is running short, and we need to hear our national leader. You will hear me again and again throughout this year. So I'll conclude here, and I would like to call our national leader, Vinutha ma'am. And before concluding, I would just like to thank our project coordinator, past association president, Mrs. Preeti Gognani ji, for helping me in and out with this project and for standing by my side throughout. Thank you so much, Preeti ji. I would also like to thank our health committee chairpersons, Mrs. PDC Vinita ji and PDC Nisha Bhargav ji, for standing by our side and for taking care of everything here. You were so prompt, ma'am. We were so delayed in telling you the agenda and everything, but still, you were just right there. Deepa ho jayega. Thank you so much for your support. Your presence has really strengthened me today. Thank you so much. And Nanny, I forgot to mention Nanny. So I thought you're gone. Army sister-in-law Nanny, thank you so much. I didn't honor you here. I thought you're gone. Sorry. So thank you, my family, my friends, everybody for joining. Thank you so much.
Here because I worked under her as association secretary, so I have a special bond with Preeti ji. We have past national editor Anita Jain, past district chairman Karuna Balla and Neelu here, the Dr. Savita Chopra, health and hygiene committee heads, Dr. Vinita Chopra, past district chairman Nisha Bhargava and Meenakshi Dayal. The major donors and the star donors and all the clubs who have contributed to Jeevan Dhara, hearty congratulations to each one of you. Nice to see Deepa's family here, sitting here. I can see a great big smile on Deepa's face. The doctor is here. That doctor also is enjoying seeing the mother's work. It's nice to see the family sitting here and taking the mama's pride, what mama is doing. To all the 70 clubs who have contributed. Actually, was initiative from me saying one club, one dialysis. I think District 301 has taken it forward, saying one member, one dialysis. So, one club, one dialysis, and one member, one dialysis patient. A great initiative by District 301 members, and keep it going for the whole year. I gave for 1 week. I think with this mark what you have done, what you want to do, please achieve it. God is there because you have started from a holy place at the Gurudwara. We have prayed to the Guruji today, and we are here. You have given to the specialty clinic your dialysis mission. What more can you ask? You have given to a holy place where things will go right, and I think you have started off very well and continue. Wishing all the radiant presidents of DIPA all the best, grow and flourish in the year 26-27. And here I would like to acknowledge the clubs who have contributed or donated for the various activities which is taking place at one place. The Fit Girl, I was so impressed seeing their yoga. I think we cannot now do one bit what they did, so we need to practice yoga. Other than that, all of us cannot do yoga, but we can keep ourselves fit by doing a lot of other things. Do yoga, walking, Zumba, walkathon, keep yourself healthy. When you are fit and healthy, you can go to the society, community and do something for them. If at all you are sick and you stay at home, you can't do anything. As Inner Wheel members, stay fit, stay healthy and help the community. And branding of umbrella is also nice to see the children having umbrellas. So branding in next level, and I like the bench concept which is done by the waste or plastic waste. So I hope more to go. You started off with one initiative.
I'll just tell after this I forget to mention it in my.
And here I would like to congratulate again because you have taken the cervical cancer vaccination drive to the next level. Like started off with 100 vaccination. Hearty congratulations. You have a powerful coordinator with your project coordinator. I'm sure you will achieve much more. I know you're capable of taking it forward this year. And I appreciate all the clubs who have come forward for this noble cause. Thank you so much for inviting me here to be a part of your project and inaugurating the dialysis machine today. I had done one on July 1st, it was online inauguration. Today I got a chance to inaugurate the dialysis machine in person. I'm in the heart of the city and the capital city, so it feels really good to be here amongst all of you. Wishing all of you all the best and keep yourself healthy. I would like to thank once again to all of you and conclude my speech.
Inner Wheel Club of New Era, Rosie, please stand up, and she will be distributing them during lunchtime. She's giving pens and calendars. She's got calendars made from seed papers. That is another green step. So we have taken 5 green steps today, and because these children are waiting, this is the grand finale, and after this we will be inaugurating that